Well, well, well. I think my phone case is here. What do you know? It's here. Let's unbox it. What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today, we have an iPhone 14 Pro. Let's see if I can say this. Clear MagSafe plating TPU magnetic slim case cover from eBay. Now, I found this on eBay for $9.29. They have different colors. Looks like black, green, gold, silver, Sierra blue. Oh, that's for the 13. They have 14 here. Silver, gold, black, and purple. So again, listed for $9.51 on eBay. I thought it was a good deal. Even though I really don't know, it looks like it's from China. I don't expect the quality to be all that great, but compared to, I don't know if you guys can see on Apple's website, the same case, or not exactly the same case, but similar case is $49.99. With that being said, without showing you guys the sensitive information here, we're gonna go ahead and get this open. And all right. Oh, this is absolutely a Chinese case. Bam, there it is. All right, so I wasn't expecting much. It's only $9. Let me see what I think of this here. Right off the bat, super cheap looking case. Let's see if you guys can see. I ordered it in black. I didn't even remember what color. I thought I had done purple because my phone is in purple. I was gonna go with the white. I don't even think that they had white. Yeah, they had silver, but I figured black won't look bad. Let's see. So if we slap the case on, and I think the way Apple's works is when you plug it in, you get this little boop message. But of course, because this is what is it called? The replica, whatever the case may be, Chinese version. Obviously, it doesn't have the features, but what do you guys think? $9.95 or $9.51 for this case. Let me see. It does cover the lens pretty good though, like all the way. It even covers this part here, so it's not just the rings. I think it looks good. I don't know. Now it feels really good. Actually, once it's on, it's got a cutout for the sensors there, both the flashlight and the sensor here. I think that's the LiDAR. But man, the buttons are perfect. Volume works perfect. See if you guys can see, even the silent button here is absolutely phenomenal. So I'm actually really impressed. Look at the cutouts down at the bottom. Perfectly aligned. I did not expect that from a Chinese case. Is it a fingerprint magnet? I don't think so. Look at that. I have super greasy hands. Nothing. Look at that. Wow. I'm actually really impressed at this case for $9. Final thoughts. Would I buy this again? Probably. Probably not. I would go with an Apple case. But I don't think that this is a good idea. If you're trying to save some money, or you just got the iPhone 14, I would have bought it. Now, the person who's selling this took a really long time to get this in the mail. But I have to say, it's got a nice lip. So when you lay it down, that's what it looks like. I'm actually liking it. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm going to keep it. All right, so final thoughts before I let you guys go. You don't compare it to an actual Apple case, a leather case, or not only a leather case, but any Apple, anything is of superior quality. But with that being said, I am very happy. I wanted to test out the wireless capabilities before I let you guys go, and as you can see, and turn the volume up. Boom. Can you guys see that? Boom. Okay, what's going on? I think that's my charger. Yeah, see, I don't know if it interferes. I mean, the cases. Okay, so there's got to be a specific spot you put it on, but I mean, it works. There you go. Still works. Now with this one, it works perfectly fine. Glad to report, works. Very impressed. Would buy again. Thank you for watching. We'll see you with the next one. Take care.